Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So today we will learn about the lesson natural disasters. Nature sustains life on earth, but it can also cause destruction. Forces of nature that cause destruction on earth of life and property are called natural disasters. Floods, droughts, earthquakes, cyclones, volcanic eruptions, landslides, and tsunamis are examples of natural disasters. Now, I will tell you about floods. Floods occur when a river or a stream overflows its banks and the water spreads to the surroundings. Floods generally occur when there is very heavy rainfall. Floods are also caused by the collapse of dams, blocking of rivers due to landslides, cyclones, and tsunamis, and the sudden melting of snow on the mountains during the summer season. Floods are very common in India, especially in the northern plains. They cause damage to life and property and crops. Diseases such as cholera, malaria, and dengue generally spread in area hit by floods. We can prepare for floods in the following ways: listening to the radio or watching television for warning and advice. Number 2, keeping a radio, a torch, a few matchboxes, and candles handy. Number 3, storing stocks of food and fresh water. Number 4, assembling a first aid kit and keeping it ready for an emergency. Number 5, drawing up a list of emergency numbers. Number 6, switching off and unplugging all the electrical appliances in the house. Number 7, trees should be planted as they prevent flood water from spreading fast. Number 8, special dams can also be built to check the speed of water. Now we will learn about drought. Drought means occurrence of little or no rain for a long period of time. Drought causes extreme scarcity of water. Drought affected areas have very few natural sources of water. Farmers are most affected during a drought. They are unable to grow crops. This results in shortage of food, leading to a famine. To prevent droughts, we can do the following. Number 1, grow more trees. Number 2, develop rainwater harvesting system. Number 3, grow drought resistant crops such as sorghum, millet and maize. Number 4, spray water directly on the base of the plant so that less water is used. Now we will learn about earthquakes. Sometimes the ground shakes violently. This is caused by the movement under the earth's surface. This is known as earthquake. The earth experiences thousands of earthquakes every year. However, most of them are small vibrations. We do not even feel them. It is difficult to predict an earthquake. It occurs without any warning. The seismograph is an instrument that is used to study an earthquake. The magnitude or intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The scientific study of the earthquake is called seismology. The seismograph place of origin of an earthquake is called the focus. The point direct above the focus on the earth's surface is called the epicenter. The effect of an earthquake is maximum near the epicenter. The Himalaya region experiences frequent earthquakes. Earthquakes also occur very frequently in Japan, the Philippines, and around the edge of the Pacific Ocean. You can take the following precautions during an earthquake. Number 1, get out of your school or house and move to an open area. Stay away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Number 2, sit under a heavy table if you are inside a building and cannot get out. Use staircase, not the lift, during and immediately after an earthquake. Number 3, earthquakes can lead to other natural disasters such as landslides, avalanches, and tsunamis. Some other natural disasters are blizzards, landslide, volcanic eruptions, tornadoes, wildfires or forest fires, tsunamis, and avalanche.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel Little Master and share and like too.
Made by Anshuman.
Voice of Anshuman.
Edited by N. Schumann.